Oh shit. Oh shit. Y'all wanna go out there and move the car, go right ahead. Oh! Ooh! I don't see nothing yet. Oh shit, the winds are shifted. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yo, Rick, the lights are gonna go out.
Look.
Oh shit, it's spinning. Look. Oh my god, Rick. Let's get this in the backyard. We should get this
No, it's not over there. It's,
oh shit, it's spinning, look.
Where?
the winds are just turning the clouds all fucking up.
Rick, that is a tornado. That is a tornado. I'm going in the backyard. I'm getting this in the backyard. Come on, Rick, in the backyard.
Yeah, she just turned mad dark, yo.
Wait a minute. Renee, wait.
The eye
Let me
of
get
the
this.
storm.
Let me get this on film.
Yo, Butch, go walk out to walk all the way out there to see
I
what's
can't.
that.
Renee's in my way.
Walk all the way out to the street, right there, from that black spot.
Wow.
Go ahead, hurry up.
Wait, Rick. This is no joke.
Be scared.
Bah, the shit is spinning.
Run out there and film the street. Go down there and see what it looks like. See if that shit is turning down the street. Damn. Oh shit. Go further down the street, Butch. Don't worry, you ain't gonna roll away.
It's over here.
This ain't good. Circling us right now. Hey, look, come here, Renee. Look how fast the clouds are moving. Look at this shit. Look how fast it's gonna pass us. Look at this. Wow. See, we just got in it right now.
We gotta get inside because it's right above us.
No gente está paranoid. Oh shit! That shit just hit me, son. Fucking the wall of rain hit me, son. I just seen the rain hit me. The rain was coming and I just seen it went and blew me back into the house.
You really want to see something? Look at it all together.
The edge went right through me. Now the eye should be somewhere half a mile away. Oh, man. Yo, I was just looking and I seen the sheet of rain. That shit came right to my face. Wow!
Pass over us.
Then the worst part of it passed over already. Whew. The clouds was turning. I seen that shit.
Oh, my
man.
Lord. Got it on camera. Right.
Nah, you didn't get it when you was next to me. Whoa, whoa.
Let's get the backyard, man. I gotta get this to the backyard.
Oh shit, look at all the sheets of water. Yo, Renee, that shit was hot. You missed it. I was looking and you know the dark black clouds, they were passing over and just like, it would look like nails coming at me, a sheet of water. That was hot. I'm ready for the next one.